How are you, the students of class 6? I am Amrish Dambitu, English teacher of Ugrabad High School in the morning shift. Today, I shall take a class on class 6, lesson 10, class 6, subject English first paper, from 17/4/2021. Lesson 10, remedies and modern and traditional. Remedies, modern and traditional. Remedies mean treatment or product, modern or traditional. There is some keyword. Dear students, look at the open at page 12, open at page 33, open at page 33. Dear students, look at the board, look at the book, open at page 33. There is some pictures. What is the first picture? Tulsi. Next, turmeric. Third, saffron, antacid, honey, neem, turmeric, aloe vera. Turmeric mean holud, aloe vera mean dhitokumari. Dear students, open at page 34. Page number 34. Open at page 34. B. Read the following text. People around the world are slowly changing their attitudes and towards medicine. More and more, there are turmeric to natural cures. Natural cures are made of natural things, most often herbs and plants. History says that natural or herbal remedies are now new. People use them all along the different agents. Herbal medicines were used in an ancient civilization like India, China, Greece, Egypt, Rome. Some ancient treatment systems are still practiced today. They have come down through the generation. Actually, in the village or ancient time, in the village area, old people, they used to different kinds of herbal. Mainly, when they fell in stomachic problem, they used to a kind of tree or herbal, and when they cut their finger, they use juice of marigold, then the bleeding would be stopped. For a minor burn injury, doctor and prescribe you tube of ointment, but for the same, your grandma may put some aloe vera or use cold water. If children have cold in our country, grandmas give them honey and tulsi leaves to eat, and it works too. If you have a minor cut and grown ups may put some turmeric, marigold or aloe vera on it. Rural people use garlic or neem or turmeric. They cure skin or problems. Youth experience, they have seen these remedies work. Moreover, they are easy to get, cheap, and most often without any side of effect. When the children fell in cold or fever, their grandma would give them or gives them tulsi, juice of tulsi with sugar, because juice of tulsi, it is very helpful for eradicate or prevent the fever or cold. When they cut their finger or leg, they can use juice of marigold, and they can use green yellow or green turmeric on the cut. And when anybody cut their finger, they can use turmeric. And when they burn their finger or hand or leg, somebody or anybody can use cold water. Cold water is very helpful for burning. Dear student, find out that items for natural cures, remedies, and write the names of the natural cures in column. In the column B, write the items that are chemicals, natural cures and chemicals, natural cures and chemical. And write the natural cures in column A. And B, write the items and the chemicals, natural cures or chemical sablon. Chemical sablon. Dear students, there is two word. Number one. Dear students, what is it? Dear students, what is honey? Very good. What does honey help to a patient or a man? Honey is very helpful for children when they fell in fever or cold. The children or who are affected cold and fever, they can use honey with tulsi leaves, juice of tulsi leaves. It is very helpful for our body, and it prevent our cold and fever. Honey mix of tulsi fever, juice of tulsi leaves. Honey with mix of tulsi leaves. Next word, there is another word. There is another word. What is another word? Students, what is it? Sablon. Very good. Sablon. It is a chemical medicine or chemical things. It is very helpful for our prevent our germs in our hand or in our leg. If you use Sablon more and more, or less in your hand, in your leg, in your house, in your floor, then your house, your hand, your leg, your body, your dress will be safe from germs. If you use, now we are failing COVID-19 barriers, you can use Sablon more and more when you go outside or when you stay at your house. You can use hand wash with Sablon. Then you can use Sablon in your house or at your hand, then you will be safe from COVID-19 virus. Not only COVID-19 virus, Sablon prevent or destroy all kinds of germs. Number B, answer that there are some question. What are the natural cures made of? Number 2, are herbal cures or modern invention, and explain your reasons. Which civilization are known for the herbal treatments? The natural remedies are used for cold. Can you add any more natural treatment for cold? What herbal cures are used for skin problems? There is 5 questions. If you write the answer to the question number B2, page number 34. There is 5 questions. If you want to write the short questions or answer of the short question, you can take help from the pages. Dear students, look at the page number 34. You can take help from the page number 34, and you can take help from the pages to write the answer to the short questions. Dear students, page number 35. Work in pairs. Complete the following expression with words from the box. Bottle, box, can, package, tube. So you can fill in the blanks with the suitable word from the C. D. Read the dialogue and practice in pairs. Pharmacist, Mr. Arman. Pharmacist, mainly who make medicine with chemicals or herbal things. They are called pharmacist. Pharmacist, good morning. Can I help you? Mr. Arman, would you have any for dry skin? Pharmacist, well, you may try this new body lotion. It is good. Or you can try to the brand or of olive oil. Olive oil is also the good for our dry skin. Mr. Arman, well, I think I'll take the lotion. How much is it? How much is it? If your skin will be dry, then you can use olive oil, or you can use body lotion always. Then your skin will be soft, or your skin will be helpful by the using of body lotion and olive oil. Dear students, look at the page number. Look at the page 35. Open at page 35. Open the book 35. English for today. Dear friends, open the book English for today, class 6, page number 35. Open at page number 35. D1. Work in pairs. Read the following situation and then make short conversation for each situation using can, could, may, should, and etc. where necessary. You can use dialogue, or you can make dialogue or short conversation by the use of can, could, may, should. Can, it is a modal auxiliary verb. Can, may, can I come in, sir? Can I come in, sir? Can I come in, sir? Come in, sir. Sir, can I come in, sir? Or can, you can who have capacity of to do any work, then you can use can. I can drive car, he can sing, she can draw a picture, etc. Could, it is also a modal auxiliary verb. Could, mainly when you request to others politely, then you can use could. Could you give me a glass of water? Could you give me a glass of water? Could you give her a? Could you give her a? Could you give her a? Could you give her a cup of tea? Cup of tea. তুমি তাকে এক কাপ চা দিতে পারবে? Could you give me a glass of water? আমাকে এক গ্লাস পানি দিতে পারবে? And mainly you can use modal auxiliary verb in these examples. May, when you bless or when anybody bless to others, they can use may. May Allah bless you. May Allah bless you. If you bless to others, you can use may. May Allah bless you. May you live long. May Allah bless. May you live long. May you happy in life. May you happy in life. Happy in life. May you happy in life. Should. That means if anybody want to do work obviously or directly, or then you can use should. You should obey your teacher. You should obey your teacher. You should obey your teacher. You should obey your parents. 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 E. People with a cold, a fever, or the flu often go to the doctor for help, but many people in our country also use some remedies for common illness. Read about some home remedies and answer the following question. Cough, cold, toothache, headache, etc. Cough. For children's cough, grandma give two spoons of basil leaf or tulsi juice with the 1 spoon of honey, it works excellent. Actually, it is very helpful for our eradicate or prevent the cough of 2 spoons of bacilla or tulsi leaves with honey. Some people take grape juice and honey too. It is also for our dry cough. Hot milk is with honey is also useful for cough problems. You can take ginger tea with also use home remedy for cough. If you affect by cough, or if you fell in cough problem, you can use hot milk with honey, and you can eat a cup of tea with ginger. Then it is very helpful for to eradicate or clear the cough. To clear the cough. Cold means shorty. Cough means kashi. Cough means kashi. Cold. Lemon juice is good for our cold because it contains vitamin C. Vitamin C increased body resistance. Lemon juice, hot water, honey together work while in the healing common cold. If you fell in cold problem, then you can use vitamin C. You can juice of vitamin C. That means lemon juice. It is very helpful for our body, and it prevent our different kinds of disease. Vitamin C, it prevents the different kinds of diseases of body. Toothache, daat betha. In normal toothaches, keep a clove in our mouth. Place it between the aching teeth or suck on it. You can even have apple clove in all on the affected tooth. If you fell in a toothache, then you can use apple clove oil. It is very helpful for eradicate the toothache. Garlic also cures toothache. Roshun দাঁত ব্যথা দূর করে. Place of clove of garlic or on the aching tooth and the much mildly. It juice also work as a relief. This রসুনের juice আমাদের দাঁত ব্যথা দূর করে. A pinch of pepper powder mixed with the common salt work well on the aching tooth. It is specially effect against the increase the sensitive of the toothache. Headache, matha betha. Eating apples gives good result in headache while eating and add the little salt of it. When headache is caused by cold wine, cinnamon, darchini. Cinnamon works the best. Make a paste of the cinnamon by mixing the water and apply it on the forehead. আপেলের জুস আমাদের দাঁত মাথা ব্যথা দূর করে, আর সিনামন আমাদের ভালো মতো কাজ করে. when headache is caused by the cold wine, যখন আমাদের সর্দি জ্বর হয়, মাথা ব্যথা হয়, তখন আমাদের সিনামন অনেক ভালো কাজ করে. তুমি সিনামন যদি পেস্ট করে যদি কপালের মধ্যে মিক্সিং পানির সাথে মিশিয়ে যদি তুমি ফোরহেডের কপালের মধ্যে তুমি যদি ইউজ করো, দেন তোমার মাথা ব্যথা দূর হবে. সিনামন, দারচিনি পানির সাথে মিশিয়ে এটা পেস্ট করে কপালের মধ্যে যদি তুমি কিছুক্ষণ রাখো, দেন ইউর হেডেক উইল বি সলভ. তোমার মাথা ব্যথা দূর হবে. লার্নস দিস হেডেক. জিঞ্জার রেজিস্ট্যান্স, কোল্ড, গার্লিক, পেপার, সিনামন, সেন্সিটিভ, নন সেন্সিটিভ. E2, জিঞ্জার আদা রেজিস্ট্যান্স, ক্লভ, গার্লিক, রসুন, পেপার, সিনামন, দারচিনি. Do you know of any other home remedies that were used in our country? Ask your parents and relatives and make a list of such remedies other than the items given in your text. Dear students, you will do the homework B1. Page 34, question B1. Page 35, B1. Question, page number 35, question C is there. Dear students, these are your homework. You will do homework and you will show your homework to your parents. Dear students, we are not safe from the COVID-19 virus. It has already serious again. So if you want to save from the COVID-19 virus, then you should to stay at home. You will try to stay at home, and you will use hand wash more and more, and you will not touch your mouth, nose and eye with finger or eye with hand. You will not touch your mouth, nose and eye with hand. If you use hand wash more and more, or if you use masks outside of your house, then you will be safe from the COVID-19 virus. You will participate first online exam of 2021 on the 27th April 2021. You will participate the all exams, online exam, first online exam. Thank you. You will read attentively and regularly. See you next classes. Thank you.